Hi guys, today we're going to learn about cum clauses. Now, way back in level 1, we learned that cum is a preposition that takes the ablative case and it means with, and we're very familiar with this. But lately we've been seeing cum showing in our translations that it doesn't mean that. It's used as a conjunction and it means when, since, or although. Now, most of the time, cum is just going to mean when, and that's going to be fine. When it means when it's temporal, it can use indicative or subjunctive. When it's purely in the indicative, it's just temporal and there's no relationship between the two clauses. So for example, in the example on the left, you see right here, cum Tiberius imperavit, Jesus natus est. So when Tiberius was emperor, Jesus was born. Those two events have nothing to do with each other. So therefore, the verb of the cum clause is indicative, imperavit. However, if there is a relationship between the two clauses, you'll use it in the subjunctive. So for example, cum Caesar Gallium invasisset, totem nationem superavit. When Caesar invaded Gaul, he conquered the entire nation. Now, he is not going to conquer the nation unless he gets there first. So there's definitely a relationship between those. There, hence the subjunctive. We will find cum occasionally being used concessively, meaning although, but 99% of the time it will have the signal word tamen in the primary clause. So for example, cum Caesar se deum esse aestama visset, tamen inter effectus est. Although Caesar thought he was a god, nevertheless he was killed. So, the most important thing for us to do is to realize, what does this cum mean when we see it in a translation? When does it mean with, and when does it mean when? So you'll find cum meaning with if it's immediately followed by something in the ablative case. So look out for those macrons, like the long A or the long es. You'll also find it floating around in the middle of the clause, closer to the verb, not in the front of the sentence. It will usually mean when, since, or although, and be used as a conjunction if it is the first or second word of the sentence. The other thing you can look out for is if the very end of that clause is going to be subjunctive. That would be another clue. Fun fact, if we use 19th century text or earlier, it will be spelled Quum, but unfortunately in the 20th century, we stopped using it that way. All right, I hope this helps. I look forward to hearing from you on our discussion boards. I'll see you there.